How to view TikTok live stream analytics. If we go live on TikTok and don't check the analytics, we won't know what's working or why people leave. So live analytics helps us improve our views, gives and engagement. So let's check them step by step. So for that, we can open up TikTok, open up the TikTok application, and you can go to your profile. And what you need to know is you must be 18 years older, like 18 plus, and have 1,000 plus followers, and account must be in good standing. Once you are here, you can go to your profile and look out for the menu option in the top right, and basically select the option of creator tools or live center or live analytics. Or you can tap on this option called TikTok Studio and open up that creation and business tool section. Now, once we are there, we'll be finding different options and looking out. We also find an option called analytics. You can tap on it where you'll be finding your total viewers, peak viewers, etc. So within the space right here, we'll be finding, overview of our normal analytics of our TikTok. But if you want to look out for the live analytics, you can swipe up like left, right on your analytics menu option available and tap on the very last option called live center or live analytics, and you can tap on go to live center and other features in creator tools live center etc. You can just go and do so, and there you'll be finding your analytics. So right now I don't have 1,000 plus followers, so I won't be having it. But if you have, you'll be finding it within your live center, and there you can look out for your total viewers, peak viewers, average, watch time, new followers from live, gifts and diamonds earned, and even comments and engagement. So you can just go and look out for it here, and you need to meet their community guidelines for that. And you can look it up, and you can just go and look out for your live duration as well. And in order to increase your analytics, what you can do is when you are heading over and going live on TikTok, go live when the followers are most active and interact with comments to boost the watch time. And you can even use strong titles and cover image and go live consistently for better reach. And that will help you get more viewers, improve the gift to earnings, grow followers faster, and show what content works best for you, and that's how we do it. So that's how we basically view TikTok live stream analytics. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.